This 2012 Maserati GranTurismo is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. GranTurismo MC Stradale Coupe carbon fiber, leather steering wheel carbon fiber interior trim carbon fiber rear spoiler alloy wheels in black 4.7L V8 engines F6-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters navigation system Bose premium sound system rear parking aid heated front seats memory seats accent and headlights adaptive light control system power automatic windows cruise control auto power and heated exterior mirrors keyless entry Maserati MC alloy wheels white exterior black leather interior. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detailed walk-around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2012 Maserati GranTurismo MC Stradale Coupe is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and amp pric, visit us at autogallerychicago.com.